What's up, guys? Today, I am gonna show you Cat Ramsey Part 2. Now sit back, relax, because this is gonna be like a short little vid to make you happy. Okay? Sorry I'm yawning, but yeah. This is Cat Ramsey Part 2. Bye! Grandma! I did it! I thought I was level 5! I reached my goal! Yo, Grandma! Did you see I was just levitating over there? What's up? Anyways, we're gonna be making a steak and potatoes with tomato. Actually, no. Today's Thanksgiving, so bacon, turkey top. Okay, so first we need our turkey. We need the stuffing. Ooh, stuffing. I love stuffing. I love stuffing. No, don't. Grandma, I got my freaking one. We did it. Okay, so we got our turkey. Grandma.
You've got to for me.
Thank you. But I wanna get got turkey legs. Okay, so first you're cooking our turkey. Now I'm just gonna let it sit, and we're just gonna wait. Wait, frick! I forgot about the turkey. Oh shoot! Is it fine? We can save it. Nah! Well, we need new turkey legs. This time I'm gonna actually change it. Oh yeah, these are perfect. Perfecto. It's a masterpiece. It's a freaking masterpiece. Now we need our mashed potatoes. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go grab our cutting board. So our cutting board is gonna be this. Don't tell Grandma that I broke her bolt. Don't. If you won't tell, I won't tell. Got it? Okay. Oh shit! Grandma, can you forgive a loving cat that's trying to cook you turkey on Thanksgiving?
You've got to for me.
What's that good for? Angry to mad. Grandma, you're disappointed in me. Okay, what is Grandma, it's Thanksgiving. You're supposed to be thankful.
You've got to for me.
What the frick did I do now? What the frick? Okay, so we gotta grab our potatoes. So done. Okay, I gotta get Grandma's attention. Hey, Grandma. Grandma! Come on, it's time to eat. I got this food. Okay, Grandma? Boing. Grab your glasses. Oh, you look so even stupider, my bad. Boing. Alright, that's it. Yes. Good, Grandma. Come on. Oh shit, I forgot the stove. Oh crap, it's starting an alarm. It's starting a freaking alarm. Ah! Grandma! Okay, Grandma, I'm gonna eat this without you if you don't come over here. That's it. That's it. Okay, Grandma, your first ever potato. Here, Grandma. Here, Grandma. Grandma. Here, Grandma. Here, Grandma. Here, stop. Wait. They don't look na. Grandma. Grandma.
Yeah.
Nom, 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 nom. Yeah, she said, mm-mm. Mm-mm. Hi, Grandma.
For ramesy.
Grandma. Grandma. You're not done. Well, she said that she really likes it. Okay, we'll have some more. Here, Grandma. That's yours. Ah, the bone hit me. I chipped my tooth.
Behold, my Chopper 3000.
Oh my god. No way. Well, this is what professionals do. Hi, this is Red Monk from the past. But not from the future. In the future right now. I recorded this like maybe an hour ago. But I just want to tell you, this is gonna be the end for Cat Ramsey for now. We'll end the video because I'm gonna do a couple quests. Okay? Sound good? Okay, bye. Okay, and now we're just gonna do 2 quests. Hi, Mr. Robot. Stroke the robot. Yeah, come on, Mr. Robot. Oh, look at you, little robot. What's that sound, little robot? Grab my lunch! Grandma, get it! Oh, shoot, oh, shoot. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. However, my life insurance isn't fun. Okay, anyways. You need to go in there for more. Grr. Let's go, Grandma. I'm the goat, baby. Bones? Ooh, yummy. Yup. Yeah. Oh, fuck. You little guys. You little freaking guys. Get in there. Get in there. Oh, shit.